We'll guide you through how to download and install Google Drive on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to go and do, as you can then sync your files and you can access your Google Drive within File Explorer, making it easy to access your files. So to get started, open a web browser of your choice and you can come to Google. We can then go to the top right and press the Google Apps button and we can click Drive, or go and search the Drive and get here. Once you're on Drive, what we need to do is head to the top right. There'll be a gear or cog icon for settings and you can press Get Drive for Desktop. You're going to be brought here and we can go and sync our desktop with Drive. So press Download Drive for Desktop and wait for it to download. When it has, open up your File Explorer and you can go and find it. Double click it. There'll be some options about adding shortcuts. Select them if you want to, and then it will go and install. We can go and press launch and it's going to go and start up. You may think nothing's happened, but if I go and open up my File Explorer here, I'll go to the left and this PC, we'll see Google Drive. I can come into here into my drive and see the files. Also, if you press show hidden icons in the bottom right, you can then go and find Google Drive and you can click on it. You can press the settings cog in the top right and go into preferences. You can add a folder you wish to sync into Google Drive if you wish, and you can then go and see some other options here as well.